Workforce Alliance and the Connecticut Works Business Services team connect job seekers with employers.
It's hard to find trained people that are ready to work, that already have the skills that we need.
We began our experience with Workforce Alliance with the Workers Incumbent Training, which was a grant program to help us fund in-house training. Went from there to enrolling in the Step Up program.
We hired a fellow by the name of David, and he was an ex-offender and has proved to be a very good addition to our team.
It's really helped us to find a pool of, I think, experienced people who were just ended up unemployed or underemployed and have, a lot of talent, can learn quickly, and can really step right into the jobs that we have.
Using federal and state funding, Connecticut Works is often able to provide hiring incentives and training subsidies to employers.
OJT was really helpful for us. We got people into the manufacturing floor, and we were able to give them a specific aerospace type manufacturing process that they did not come into the company with. The quantity of people that we interviewed was probably about 7 or 8 folks that came through us, and we ended up hiring maybe 2 or 3 out of those candidates. I felt confident that at least they had the basic skills. Once you have that, that's the start of something long term. We want to grow people, and as we grow our business, we want people to stay here for a lifetime.
We need to focus on Connecticut, and these programs allow us to do that.
I mean, if you can hire, people that are here, that are unemployed, that are out of work, that are actively looking for a job and anxious to work, I mean, that's like a win-win for both the businesses and the community.
Specific programs target the needs of manufacturers.
As a human resource manager, you're always looking for different avenues to recruit people. And it's become apparent that just going through newspapers and that you don't have to pay a lot of money to recruit. You have to find what the resources are and go to them. And one of the things that I started to do is go through Connecticut Works.
This program, I can't express how timely the program is for us.
We're on the verge of getting some new equipment in, some real high-tech equipment. We were looking at perhaps hiring, a number of new people. This looked like a perfect opportunity to put the two together. It was simple, it was effective. After we talked, you were down here in a few days, and it was really like I thought. It was a simple process, and it got right to the core of our needs, recruiting people, getting money back for those people, and able to put it back into our business, which of course results in our ability to hire more people and get new equipment.
So the program helps in that way. It enables me to go out, still have the people to do the work, go out and market and sell more to then support those roles as the funding slowly tapers off.
Other programs target the new generation of high-level production skills.
The Technical Skills Training Initiative is a project that was put in place to fulfill hiring needs of employers for the sectors of engineering, manufacturing, and IT. Well, we've worked with aerospace companies. We've also worked with fuel cell companies.
If we have a manufacturer and they need an IT person or an engineer, we'll put them in there. We will instruct the engineer on what the training plan's going to be.
We can do the recruiting and assist the employer in finding talent, or they can find their own talent.
The application process is made of a 2-page, easy-to-answer questionnaire and a 1-page training plan. The entire process took less than 2 weeks. We've hired 2 people, a high-level engineer in process engineering and also a maintenance mechanic.
Connecticut Works staff is dedicated to helping ex-offenders with their transition to work.
We've talked about changing attitudes, personalities, and overcoming barriers that we didn't want our young men and women to take with them to employers.
Most of the ones that we have got through the program, I couldn't even tell that they're ex-offenders. I believe everybody should get a fair chance. All I want to do is get the work done. And I think the program worked out great for me. Even if we're helping the program is also helping us.
We've used the Step Up program, we've used ex-offenders programs, we've used just your basic program, I guess I should say, and really with excellent results with all of them.